Welcome to my channel, guys. So every tutorial we're going to learn how to produce toothpaste in Nigeria. How to produce toothpaste in Nigeria. You know, how to produce toothpaste in Nigeria. All of us know what toothpaste is. Toothpaste is that paste you use on your brush to brush your teeth, to make your teeth look fine, to also remove some bacteria in the teeth and all that. So that is a toothpaste. So how do we produce it in Nigeria? It's a profitable business. You can produce it. We have different types of toothpaste in Nigeria. I'm not going to mention their names. You know their names. So what are the ingredients? What are the quantity you need? You need a baking soda, and you need about 4 spoons. What does it do? It's for tooth whitening agent. It's a tooth whitening agent. It makes your teeth to do what? To look brighter, to be white. So you have to use baking soda, which is 4 spoons. The quantity I desire you need in the production is what? 4 spoons, depending on what, just for you to learn. So next one is calcium carbonate. Calcium what? Carbonate. What do you need? About 10 spoons of calcium carbonate. You know, calcium carbonate does what? It's a stain remover. Calcium carbonate is a what? A stain remover. Next one you need is coconut oil. Coconut oil. What you need there is about 7 to 10 spoons of coconut oil, which is also what? An antibacterial agent. So an antibacterial agent. And your mint. Add your mint to it. You are good to go. That is the paste. So hey, so step to produce this toothpaste. Pour calcium carbonate into a container. Add baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and mix. So what you said, I say pour what? Pour calcium carbonate into a container. You might be asking, how do I get all this that are available in the market? Go to the market, ask them where they are selling, you know, all those chemicals you can use to produce, you know, detergent, soap, liquid soap, toothpaste, and all that. So that is available in the market. Pour calcium carbonate into a container. 1. Number 2, add baking soda, which is a sodium bicarbonate, and mix. Add mint and then stir. Add coconut oil. Add till your desired paste is produced. Pour into a cup for use. You could see. So for that, if you want to be commercial, from there you start. You know, you produce your tube. You can put it inside your tube and package them for sale. So that is how it is being done. So you have a tube manufacturing company to supply the tubes, you know, and you brand it. Good, you are good to go. Simple and straightforward. Your paste will be in the market, competing with other ones that you know. So like I said before, you need the what? Baking soda for this particular purposes. Now you just need 4 spoons. You need you must say, what does it do? Is for whitening, tooth whitening agent. You need also calcium carbonate. You need about 10 spoons for this training. So what you say, what does it do? Is for stain remover. Coconut oil, how many spoons you need? 7 to 10 spoons. What does it do? Is an antibacterial agent. You know, it expels bacteria from the teeth. The next one is the mint, which will gives you the flavor. So you say, what are the steps? I've told you that the steps involves what? For you to pour the calcium carbonate into a container that is properly, that's clean. Add your baking soda, which is the sodium carbonate, and mix. Add mint and then stir. Add coconut oil until you achieve your desired paste. Pour in the cup and start using it. I believe this tutorial is useful. You know, like I mentioned it before, I've told you that okay, what you need now is what? Baking soda, sodium carbonate, 4 spoons. You know, also you can also add salt, which is an enhancer, but make sure that it's little salt you are putting in it. You can put little salt, which is an enhancer. Also now, so you can also, if you want to also go further, you can also add the hydrogen peroxide. What does it do? In case those people that have sauce in their mouth, they can heat the sauce in their mouth. You know, I was talking about calcium carbonate, you know, which you can also use to remove stains, the mint, coconut oil, and all that. So I've also told you how you can do the mixture of all of them now to get your desired to get your desired toothpaste that you are looking for. You know, I've told you the steps. Pour your sodium carbonate in the container. Add calcium carbonate. You add your little salt, or not so much salt. Some people don't like paste that have salt. So add hydrogen peroxide and mix properly. Add your mint and stir, and you are good to go. So that is how to produce toothpaste in Nigeria, and there's market for it. If you want to also make it in a commercial quantity, you increase the quantity of what you are putting depending on how many you want to produce and all that. So you also follow the same procedure to do the mixture and stirring. You'll be surprised that what you're going to get is better than what you are seeing in the market. Thanks for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, Guys to Everything, for you to learn more on other businesses you can do, to generate revenue or income, for you and for your company. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or contribution or question, use our comment box below to contribute. Do not forget also to subscribe to the channel. There's a red button down below. Just click on it and subscribe to the channel for more videos on Guys to Everything. We guide you on how you can do everything, that provided is going to bring income to you as a person or revenue for your company. Thanks for watching the video. Click on the link on the red button below to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see us in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. God bless you.